Understanding, lose touch, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, lose touch. This is a phrase you might have heard often, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out. Lose touch refers to a gradual process of losing contact with someone or no longer being informed and up to date about something. It can be used both in personal contexts, such as with friends or family, and in professional contexts, like losing touch with industry trends. This phrase often implies that the loss of contact was not intentional. Now, let's look at some examples. 1. After moving to a different country, I lost touch with most of my high school friends. 2. He retired last year and feels like he's lost touch with the latest technology. In both cases, the phrase, lose touch, shows a disconnection that has occurred over time. Here's how you can use lose touch in a sentence. It's important to regularly call your family so you don't lose touch. I try to read industry news every day to ensure I don't lose touch with market trends. Practice forming your own sentences to get comfortable with the phrase. What if you want to express the opposite? The phrase, keep in touch, is used when you maintain contact with someone or stay informed about something. For example, let's keep in touch after the conference. I keep in touch with the latest fashion by following certain magazines. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning of lose touch and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, staying connected, whether with people or with information, requires effort. Don't lose touch with us. Keep watching for more English language tips. Until next time, take care.